It is too expensive to have our engineer to do the installation from China. Actually, there's a better way to have to send your own engineer to China, have a training in SWITEK, both for the installation and maintenance of IML system, just as we have done to many Indian customers. Here now we are installing a new mode for a new testing of injection IML system of leads. It's really not an easy task, but if you send your engineer to here, you can really have a better understanding of how to start up a new system. It would be beneficial and valuable for the growing of your company. Anyway. Oh, it's not easy. Any of your choice would be perfect just for a successful IML project.